Good morning. Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. I hope you have read the lesson and come till where I had explained you yesterday. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, can anybody tell me what does the word constitution means?
Ma'am, a set of rules that every citizen have to follow.
Yes, very good. A set of written rules, especially the set of written rules that are accepted by all the people. Clear? So next we have also read about why do we need a constitution. 4 points we have read about. Why do we need a constitution? The importance of constitution. Can anybody tell me?
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, it generates a degree of trust and coordination that is necessary for different kind of people to live together.
Yes. So first and foremost, you can underline this, that it generates the trust and coordination. It generates trust and coordination. Coordination among people also, people and government also, citizens and government also, both. So next, second point.
Second,
Ma'am,
it
it
specifies
specifies
how the
how
government will be constituted, who will have the power to take which decisions.
Yes, Raksha, once again. Raksha, once again, you speak out the second point, the importance.
Second, it specifies how the government will be constituted, who will the power to take which decisions.
Very good. So now the second point or the second need of constitution is that it clearly specifies, it is specified in the constitution that how the government will be constituted. Constituted means how the government will be formed and who will have the power to which decision. कौन सा decision लेने के लिए किसको power मिलेगा वो. Yes.
Okay.
Third point.
Ma'am, it lays down limits on the power of government and tells us what the right of the citizen are.
Yes, it lays limits. Now it also lays limits. सब पावर ही नहीं बताता है कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन कि किसको क्या काम करना है, प्राइम मिनिस्टर को क्या करना है, फाइनेंस मिनिस्टर को क्या करना है, डिफेंस मिनिस्टर को क्या करना है, या फॉरेन मिनिस्टर को क्या करना है, बट इट ऑल्सो लिमिट्स द पावर. लिमिट्स द पावर ऑफ होम. अब यहाँ पर पावरफुल कौन हो गया कंट्री में? पावरफुल अभी कौन है? गवर्नमेंट. बिकॉज एवरीबडी हैज टू फॉलो द रूल एंड रेगुलेशन विच गवर्नमेंट फॉर्म्स. क्लियर? सो उसी के पावर, जो मोस्ट पावरफुल होता है उसी के पावर कंट्रोल में करने का जरूरत रहता है ना. जहां पर जो ज्यादा पावरफुल रहता है, पर्सन हो चाहे कोई ग्रुप हो, उसी का पावरफुल कंट्रोल करने की जरूरत रहती है. वैसे ही यहाँ पर हम देखते हैं कि गवर्नमेंट इज मोर पावरफुल, so the limitation on the power of the government is put so that the contains the right of the citizens. और क्या दिया गया? For that citizens have been provided their fundamental rights. Now the fourth last. Yes, fourth point.
Ma'am, it expresses the aspirations of the people about creating a good society.
Yes, it expresses the aspirations of the people. अब जो people, whatever people or citizens want their society to be, वो कैसा society में रह रहे हैं, या what is their government, in which way the government will be formed. So all the aspirations, all the wishes of the people for creating a good society is given in the constitution. It shows in the constitutions. Clear? Through the constitution we can find out कि कैसी society है उस particular country की. Now coming up, the new topic of today is making of the Indian constitution. Now how our constitution was made. Now here we will see that like South Africa, India's constitution was also drawn up under very difficult circumstances. Many difficult circumstances were there, many typical condition was there in which our constitution was framed. The making of the constitution of for a huge and diverse country. सबसे पहले तो our country was very much big and diverse country. Diverse country, why it is called as diverse country? Why it is called as diverse country?
Ma'am, because different live here.
Yes, different groups of people live here. Means एक ही community के लोग नहीं रहते हैं. Different groups of people are living here. That is why it is called as diverse country. So the making of the constitution for a huge and diverse country like India was not an easy affair. It was not an easy task for the our constituent assembly to frame the constitution for such a big and diverse country like India. Now at that time the people of India were emerging. Now what was their condition that time? अब वो कंडीशन हम बता रहे हैं कि उस टाइम डिफिकल्ट सर्कमस्टेंसेस थे, सिचुएशन बहुत डिफिकल्ट थी. So what was the difficult situation at that time? So at that time, the people of India were emerging from the status of subject to the citizens. Now, recently only we had got our independence. So पहले तो subjects थे. Subjects means they were the people on whom the Britishers were ruling. वो एक तरीके से सिर्फ ये है कि हाँ हम पर उनको रूल कर रहे थे वो लोग, सिर्फ हम लोग सब्जेक्ट्स थे. To the citizens, now we have changed our status to the citizens. अब हम भारतवासी कहलाने लगे, हम सिटीजन्स बन गए, भारत के नागरिक बन गए. अब हमको नागरिक का अधिकार मिल गया था. Previously we were only considered as only individual or people, clear, on which the Britishers were ruling. Now we our status had changed into the citizens. Now हमें नागरिक का status दे दिया गया था, citizens का. Now the country was born through a partition on basis of religious differences. First and foremost, we have changed into the status from subject to the citizens. Second, the circumstance or situation was that the country was born through a partition on the basis of religious differences. Religious differences के चलते ही हमारी country का partition हुआ था. उस वक्त हुआ था पाकिस्तान और इंडिया का पार्टीशन भी हुआ था उस वक्त. On which basis it was there? On the religious basis only. मुस्लिम और हिंदूज को अदर पीपल को, रिलीजियस पीपल को अलग कर दिया गया था. पाकिस्तान was given to the Muslim people. Yes or no? So the country was born through the partition on the basis of religious difference के basis पे partition हुआ था. So that was also critical stage which a country was going through. This was a traumatic experience. Traumatic experience means a difficult situation. Clear? सोच एक तरीके से बहुत ज्यादा एक we can say कि mentally people did not wanted such type of situation, but they had to be in this situation where the partition was there. Nobody had liked this partition of India. So this was a traumatic condition, traumatic experience for the people of India and Pakistan both. पाकिस्तान और इंडिया के लोगों के लिए दोनों के लिए बहुत ये दुख का समय था जब पार्टीशन हो रहा था. क्लियर? एक स्ट्रेस का समय था. At least 10 lakh people were killed on both the sides of the border in the partition related violence. Now partition was related to violence. Violence हुआ बहुत, partition किया गया था. Then 10 lakh people were killed in this on the border in this partition. There was another problem. एक और problem थी. There was the British had left it to the rulers. अब एक और प्रॉब्लम अराज हो गई थी यहाँ पर. क्या प्रॉब्लम थी कि जो ब्रिटिशर्स ने हम फ्रीडम मिल गया था, हमें इंडिपेंडेंस मिल गया था, बट अब ब्रिटिशर्स ने क्या पॉलिसी करी यहाँ पर कि उन्होंने रूलर्स को, जो लोकल रूलर्स थे, उनको उनके डिसीजन पे छोड़ दिया कि दे वेदर मींस द ब्रिटिशर्स लेफ्ट इट टू द रूलर्स ऑफ द प्रिंसली स्टेट्स. जो प्रिंसली स्टेट्स, द लोकल रूलर्स थे जो स्टेट्स को रूल कर रहे थे, विच वर अंडर द रूलर्स, they had to decide whether they wanted to merge with India or with Pakistan. अब उनको उनके हाल पे छोड़ दिया था, उनकी विश पे छोड़ दिया था कि वो चाहें, these local rulers कैसे चाहते हैं, वो पाकिस्तान में मिलना चाहते हैं या इंडिया में मिलना चाहते हैं, और they wanted to remain independent, या अपने आप को अभी भी वो इंडिपेंडेंट रखना मांगते हैं, किसी के अंडर में नहीं रहना चाहते. Now the merger of these princely states was difficult and uncertain task. अब इन princely states को हमारे भारत में इंडियन स्टेट्स में मिलाना बहुत ही डिफिकल्ट टास्क था. क्यों? इनको मिलाना भी बहुत जरूरी था, बिकॉज फॉर द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन अब पूरी कंट्री को हम रूल कर रहे हैं, इंडिया एज ए कंट्री को रूल कर रहे हैं. अब बीच में से कोई प्रिंसली स्टेट माइट बी, आई कैन गिव द एग्जांपल लाइक हैदराबाद. हैदराबाद अगर प्रिंसली स्टेट चाहे कि वो पाकिस्तान में मर्ज की जाएगी, तो इज इट पॉसिबल फॉर हैदराबाद? वो सेंटर है वहां पर, तो पॉसिबल नहीं होगा इस टाइप से. तो इट वाज अ डिफिकल्ट टास्क फॉर एट दैट टाइम फॉर द लीडर्स टू convince these princely states to join India. Clear? It was a difficult and uncertain task. When the constitution was being written, the future of the country did not look as secure. And when this constitution, then rules and regulations were written, at that time, the future of country did not look secure as it does today. आज तो हमारा future secure है कि no country can have the control over, no foreign country have the control over our country. नहीं रूल कर सकती हमारे कंट्री पे, because proper rules and regulations are being framed and we have been provided with a democratic as a democratic country, plus constitution is also the written in constitution. So now our future is secure, but at that time, as we have recently gone through that violence of partition, where the problem of princely states were there, the huge region of that they, wait a second, Kushal Soni, yes, which online exam, beta? Which online exam you want to ask? Kushal Soni, unmute yourself. You are asking in the chat box that you want to know about the online exam result. Which online?
Ma'am, periodic.
Periodic, तो beta, you have already got the sheets, na marks.
No, ma'am.
Periodic की
Ma'am,
तो
ma'am, we check.
हेलो
मैम रिजल्ट कब आएगा?
मैम आया ही नहीं अभी तक.
रिजल्ट नहीं आया बेटा अभी तक?
Yes, ma'am.
It will be
नहीं आया.
so it will be informed later on बेटा, but अच्छा 9th का नहीं आया, sorry, हाँ sorry 9th का नहीं आया, I don't know because 1 to 8th was given, that is why I was thinking. Sorry, आपका पता नहीं, I don't know, I am not having such type of information. You will be informed when you will get the result. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. Now, so the future at that time was not secure. Clear as it is today. The makers of the constitution has anxieties about the present and the future of the country. Who all were the leaders who are the makers of the constitution, जो constitution बनाने में लगे थे, उनके माइंड में एक तरीके से एंजाइटी थी, डर था about the present also and about the future of the country also. That is why to make the future of the country secure and the problem which they had faced earlier, which when they were under the Britishers, it does not arise again. That is why they all were wanted to make a particular constitution from which the future of the country can be secured. Clear? Hello, what was the condition at that time when a constitution makers were making the constitution? Now here about different leaders it is given, Vallabhbhai Patel, then Abdul Kalam Azad, Krishna Krishnamachari, T.T. Krishnamachari. You can read about all these separately. I will continue with the lesson just now, okay? Now the path to constitution, the way to the constitution. Now these all circumstances we have read about, we are about aware about the situation of the traumatic situation which India was undergoing when the leaders were making the constitution. Now what was the way to the constitution? Despite all these difficulties, all these were the difficulties we have read in the previous paragraphs. So despite all these difficulties, there was one big advantage. One big advantage was there for the makers of the Indian constitution. What was that advantage? Unlike South Africa, they did not have to create a consensus about what a democratic India should like. Now, unlike South Africa के जैसे उनको एक तरीके से they did not have to create a consciousness. Consciousness means सबकी readiness, or we can say everybody should agree. इस टाइप से agreement नहीं बनाना था उनको. What a democratic India should look like. Much of this consciousness had evolved during the freedom struggle. Most of this agreement was made during the freedom struggle only. Freedom struggle, जब freedom के लिए struggle किया गया तभी इस टाइप के agreements, इस टाइप का मीन्स एडवाइस और या डिसीजंस ले लिया गया था कि किस टाइप का कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन बनेगा कंट्री के लिए. Our national movement was not merely a struggle against the foreign rule. Now our national movement, हमारी जो national movement था, which was against the foreign country, that is the Britishers. So our national movement was not merely the struggle against the foreign rule, it was also the struggle to regenerate our country and to transform our society and politics. हमारी struggle जो थी वो सिर्फ ब्रिटिशर्स के खिलाफ ही नहीं थी, but also to regenerate, to recreate our country and transform the society and its politics. This was also the struggle against. क्लियर. मीन्स वो सोसाइटी में चेंजेस लाना मांगते थे, पॉलिटिक्स में, पॉलिटिकल अफेयर्स में चेंजेस लाना मांगते थे. सो इट वाज नॉट ओनली द स्ट्रगल अगेंस्ट द फॉरेन रूल बट स्ट्रगल अगेंस्ट द ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन फॉर द सोसाइटी एंड पॉलिटिक्स ऑल्सो. देयर वाज शार्प डिफरेंसेस ऑफ ओपिनियंस विद इन द फ्रीडम स्ट्रगल. फ्रीडम स्ट्रगल्स के में बहुत शार्प ओपिनियंस थे कभी कभी. एंड अबाउट द पाथ इंडिया शुड टेक आफ्टर इंडिपेंडेंस. आफ्टर इंडिपेंडेंस क्या स्टेप लेने हैं इंडिया को, what steps the Indian people or the leaders should follow. Many types of opinions, the sharp differences of opinions were clearly seen in among the different leaders. Yet some basic ideas came to be accepted by almost everyone. By almost everyone, some basic ideas came to be accepted by everyone. कुछ point of view पे सब clear थे कि everybody had means wanted that ideas or that rules and regulations to be followed in the future for our country. Clear. बहुत सारे public बहुत सारे opinions थे on which sharp differences were there among the people and the public, but few ideals, few laws, few policies were such that everybody had to accept that one. As far back as in 1928, Motilal Nehru had eight other Congress leaders drafted a constitution for India. Now, as far as in 1928, Motilal Nehru and the 8 other Congress leaders drafted the constitution for India. Who drafted the constitution? किसने प्लानिंग करी कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन बनाने के लिए, प्रिपेयर किसने करने के लिए बोला? 1928 में मोतीलाल नेहरू और 8 other Congress leaders. They prepared a constitution. Drafted means they prepared a constitution for 1920 in 1928 for India. In 1931, the resolution at the Karachi session, एक resolution लिया गया Karachi session में of the Indian National Congress dwelt on how independent India's constitution should look like. अब Karachi session में resolution लिया गया, एक ये task लिया गया कि इंडियन नेशनल कांग्रेस ने ये पूछा कि कितना कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन हमारा इंडिपेंडेंट रहेगा. इंडिपेंडेंट मींस द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन should be independent, should not be under the control, the rules and regulations should not be interfered by anybody else. Both these documents were committed to the inclusion of universal adult franchise. और क्या कमिटमेंट लिया गया? To promote the universal adult franchise, right to freedom and equality, and to protecting the rights of minorities in the constitution of the independent India. So these were the commitments. These were the commitments or laws or rules, we can say, that was inculcated in our constitution. That is, universal adult franchise should be there, right to freedom of equality, and first and foremost another thing was that the protecting rights of the minorities. Minorities के right जो less in number है उनके rights को protect करना भी उनका main aim हो गया था constitution makers का. Clear? Thus some basic values were accepted by all leaders. All leaders के से क्या accept किया गया? Basic values. Before the Constituent Assembly met to deliberate on the constitution. इससे पहले कि कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंट असेंबली पूरी तरीके से फ्रेम करती एक तरीके से कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन, सारे लीडर्स ने एक बेसिक वैल्यू को एक्सेप्ट किया एंड बिफोर द फ्रेमिंग ऑफ द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन। The familiarity with political institution of colonial rule also helped develop an agreement over the institutional design. अब एक तरीके से institutional design बनाई गई, properly design किया गया constitution, ताकि with the familiarity with political institutions of colonial rule के political institution से already familiar था हमारा Indian leaders, and that is why an agreement over institutional design was there. एक तरीके से प्रॉपर डिजाइन बनाई जाए कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन की। द ब्रिटिश रूल हैड गिवन वोटिंग राइट्स ओनली टू द फ्यू। अब पॉलिटिकल डिजाइन क्या थी, पहले पॉलिटिकली जो भी ब्रिटिशर्स के अंडर में रह करके हम लोगों ने लीडर्स ने देख लिया था कि क्या क्या प्रॉब्लम्स थी उस वक्त, सो वो सारी प्रॉब्लम्स क्रिएट ना हो इंडिपेंडेंट इंडिया में आफ्टर द मेकिंग ऑफ कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन। दैट इज व्हाई इट वाज क्लियरली seen, taken into consideration that previously they had seen that the voting rights were there only in the given to the only few. On that basis the Britishers had introduced very weak legislatures, और इसलिए बहुत weak legislatures थी। What are the legislatures? What is the legislature? What is a legislature? One of the organ. You don't know the three organs of the government? Legislature, executive and judiciary. So one of the organs making of law. Yes, for making of law. So at that time when one voting rights were only given to few, at that time there were very weak legislatures. Elections were held in 1937 for the provincial legislatures and ministries all over the British India जब British India ब्रिटिशर्स के अंडर में था तब प्रोविंशियल लेजिस्लेचर्स हुए थे, इलेक्शंस हेल्ड हुए थे प्रोविंशियल लेजिस्लेचर्स के, एंड दीज वर नॉट फुली डेमोक्रेटिक गवर्नमेंट्स। और जब गवर्नमेंट आई तो दैट वाज नॉट फुली डेमोक्रेटिक। नॉट फुली डेमोक्रेटिक व्हाई? बिकॉज द वोटिंग राइट्स वर गिवन ओनली टू द फ्यू पीपल, बट द एक्सपीरियंस गेन्ड बाय इंडियंस को इस बात से एक्सपीरियंस मिला, एंड but the experience gained by the Indians in the working of the legislative institutions proved to be very useful for the country in setting up its own institutions. अब जो इंडियंस उस वक्त ब्रिटिशर्स के अंडर में किसी भी लेजिस्लेटिव इंस्टीट्यूशन में जो काम करते थे, वर्किंग करते थे, तब उनको एक तरीके से ये एक्सपीरियंस हो गया कि दिस टाइप ऑफ लेजिस्लेशन will not work for our country, and that is why it proved very helpful for the country in setting up its own institutions and working in them. That is why the Indian Constitution adopted many institutional details and procedures from colonial laws like the Government of India Act 1935. So the Indian Constitution had adopted many institutional details, बहुत सारे details हमको इंडियन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन ने अपनाए, किससे? गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया एक्ट 1935 में 5 से। क्लियर? years of thinking and deliberation means बहुत सारी मीटिंग्स में और बहुत सारे सोच विचार के साथ ऑन द फ्रेमवर्क ऑफ कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन के कैसा कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन फ्रेम किया जाए, had another benefit। बहुत सारी मीटिंग्स और कंसिडरेशन और जो थिंकिंग का एक बेनिफिट हुआ, आर लीडर्स गेन कॉन्फिडेंस। इससे क्या हुआ, हमारे लीडर्स को कॉन्फिडेंस आ गया टू लर्न फ्रॉम अदर कंट्रीज बट ऑन आवर ओन टर्म्स। हमें बहुत कुछ हमारे लीडर्स को सीखने को मिला दूसरी कंट्रीज से, और बहुत सारे सोच विचार और मीटिंग्स के साथ उनमें एक तरीके से कॉन्फिडेंस गेन कर लिया कि हम हमारा कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन कैसा होना चाहिए। Now, many of our leaders were inspired by the ideas of French Revolution. Our leaders were also inspired by the French Revolution. Underline this. Many of our leaders were inspired by the ideas of French Revolution. the practice of the parliamentary democracy in Britain, and the Bill of Rights in US, the socialist revolution in Russia, and inspired by Indians to think to the shaping of the system based on the social and economic equality. So our leaders were inspired by the French Revolution also, the practice of parliamentary democracy in Britain. In Britain, the practice of parliamentary democracy was there. So that was also that also inspired our leaders. Plus, Bill of Rights. What is Bill of Rights? It is a list of most important rights given to the citizens or the people of our country. So, and those rights cannot be violated by any public officials or anybody. So that is called as Bill of Rights. And that Bill of Rights was there where? In US. And the socialist revolution, which was there in Russia, all these had inspired our leaders to frame the best फॉर्म ऑफ कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन. इनको यहाँ से एक तरीके से कॉन्फिडेंस मिला कि, और उनको एक तरीके से पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू मिल गया कि हमें हमारा कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन किस टाइप से होना चाहिए. येट दे वर नॉट सिंपली इमिटेटिंग. उन्होंने ये सब इंस्पायर हुए थे इन सब चीजों से, बट दे सिंपली डिड नॉट इमिटेट. उन्होंने सीधा सा चीटिंग नहीं करी हमारे लीडर्स ने, एज इट इज इमिटेट नहीं किया. What others had done, जो दूसरों ने किया as it is copy down नहीं किया हमारे कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन में, बट थोड़ा को बहुत अपने चेंजेस ला करके वो फिर उन्होंने एक नया कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन तैयार किया. एट ईच स्टेप दे वर क्वेश्चनिंग वेदर दीज थिंग्स सूटेड आवर कंट्री. हर चीज इंस्पायर किया आवर इंडियन लीडर्स को, बट उन्होंने ये भी देखा कि वो चीज हमारे कंट्री के लिए सूट हो रही है कि नहीं हो रही है. And that all these factors contributed in making of our constitution, और ये सब help किया हमारे constitution बनाने के लिए. I hope clear. It is clear, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Now the Constituent Assembly. About the Constitution. Now this was the path of the Constitution. कैसे Constitution बनाने के लिए decide किया गया, किन कौन सी चीजों को involve किया गया, क्या बातों को consider किया गया. Now the Constituent Assembly, who then were the makers of the Indian Constitution? तब कौन है? This is the question arises in our minds. Who you will find here very brief sketch of some of the leaders who played an important role in the making of the Constitution. Making of the Constitution में बहुत ही brief role बताया गया है यहाँ पर हमारे leaders का. The drafting of the document called the Constitution was done by the Assembly of Elected Representation. Now the drafting of the Constitution. The drafting of the Constitution means the preparing of our Constitution. The preparing of the document called the Constitution was done by the Assembly of Elected Representatives. बाकायदा एक assembly बनाई गई, that was elected representatives, and that was called as Constituent Assembly. अब ये Constituent Assembly को elect किया गया. Election to the Constituent Assembly were held in July 1946. 1946 में जुलाई में ये election हुआ गया Constituent Assembly के लिए, and its first meeting was held in December 1946. Soon after the country was divided into India and Pakistan, और इसके बाद ही जल्दी ही इंडिया और पाकिस्तान में डिवाइड हो गई हमारी कंट्री. The Constituent Assembly was also divided into Constituent Assembly of India and that of Pakistan. अब जैसे ही पाकिस्तान और इंडिया में हमारी कंट्री डिवाइड हो गई तो Constituent Assembly भी डिवाइड हो गई. Constituent Assembly of India and Constituent Assembly of Pakistan. The Constituent Assembly that wrote the Indian Constitution had 299 members. Underline this. One more question. The Constituent Assembly that wrote the Indian Constitution has how many members? 299.
99.
And the Assembly adopted the Constitution on 26th of November 1949. Assembly ने Constitution कब adopt किया?
20 November 1949.
26 November 1949. And but it came into effect on, effect कब आया?
26 January.
26 January 1950. अडॉप्ट तो कर लिया था हमने 26 नवंबर को ही 1949, बट उसको वर्किंग में हम कब लेकर आए? 26 January 1950 में.
January
To mark
1950.
this day, we celebrate January 26 as Republic Day, और इसीलिए हम 26 जनवरी को Republic Day as celebrate करते हैं. I hope till here it is clear.
Yes, ma'am.
Still the
Yes,
topic
ma'am.
is remaining. We'll
ma'am.
continue with the topic in our next class. That is, I think on Tuesday only we can do.
Okay,
Okay.
ma'am.
So that's all for
Thank
today.
you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Have a nice day, ma'am.
Okay, same to you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.